Hello everyone, this is Anh from NTU.
Hi, I'm JingHang. I was from Mechanical Engineering in NTU and I was part of Moonman Group,
A finalist for last year's KIBO robot programming competition. Many of you may think that you require a lot of prior knowledge in order to join this kind of competition, but actually last year when we started, many of us didn't know how to code in Java or how to use Android Studio at all, which are both required to program the robot.
I was playing around with path planning for robots with 6 degrees of freedom, and I was also able to learn more about computer vision, particularly in QR code and AR code detection for pose estimation.
So we picked up all of these skills through online tutorials, the online forum provided by the competition, and through the competition documentation.
The most memorable part of the challenge was during the finals when the code ran on the Astro Bee
And then seeing the robot move in the International Space Station.
and astronaut Chris Cassidy was actually there to wish us all the best. Any students with an interest in space technologies or robotics
I encourage all of you to join,
and leave your mark in space.
and who knows, one day your code might actually run on the International Space Station.
You won't know if you don't try.